Students, now we are going to see about minor millet. Various types of minor millet we can able to see. First of all, foxtail millet we are going to see. Foxtail as well as quada millet we are going to discuss. First of all, foxtail millet, Tinai. Foxtail means in Tamil, Tinai. Botanical name of foxtail millet is Setaria italica. So Setaria italica is a botanical name of foxtail millet, Tinai Kadir. So look at the picture. This is foxtail millet, Tinai. So we can obtain. You might not see nowadays. In olden days, this is very common food. So nowadays, all minor millets are not commonly cultivated as well as commonly not used. It is available in supermarket as well. This is quada millet. So this is quada millet. This is foxtail millet. So this is one of the oldest millet used traditionally in India, which is domesticated first in China about 6,000 years ago. It is rich in protein, carbohydrate. It is rich in protein, carbohydrate, vitamins B and C, potassium and calcium are also present in Setaria italica, that is foxtail millet. It supports in strengthening of heart and improves eyesight. Tinai porridge, Tinai puttu, is given to lactating mother. Next one is quada millet. The botanical name of quada millet is Paspalum scrobiculatum. Paspalum scrobiculatum is a botanical name of quada millet. So this is also another minor millet. The quada millet is originated from Western Africa, which is rich in fiber, protein and minerals. It is used, quada millet is ground into flour and is used to make pudding. Good diuretic and cure constipation as well. Helps to reduce obesity, blood sugar and blood. Kudirivali. The quada millet is also called in Tamil Kudirivali. Kurudali அப்படினு கூட காமன்னா சொல்வாங்க தமிழ்ல. So quada millet is Kudirivali. So the flour அதில இருந்து தயார் பண்ணக்கூடிய கூழ் is very much useful. This is very much medicinal value as well. This will be very much useful for good for diuretic, cure for constipation. So these are all very much useful minor millet. Now another category we are going to see about pulses. Pulses means பருப்பு வகைகள். Black gram, உளுந்து, green gram, பாசிப்பயிறு, red gram, துவரம்பருப்பு. These are all comes under this category. One by one we can see various types of pulses. Black gram, look at the picture. This is black gram, உளுந்து, green gram, பாசிப்பருப்பு, பயிறு, red gram, துவரம்பயிறு. So these are some example for pulses. One by one we can see in detail. The word pulses is derived from the Latin words pulse or pultis, meaning thick soup. So usually in olden days they used to prepare soup from these pulses. That is why it got the name. Pulses are edible seeds that are harvested from the fruits of Fabaceae. They provide vital source of plant-based protein, vitamins and minerals for people around the globe. First of all, we are going to discuss about black gram. Black gram means ulundu. Its botanical name is Vigna mungo. Vigna mungo. Where it is origin from? The black gram is native to India. Earliest archaeobotanical evidences record the presence of black gram about 3,500 years ago in India. It is cultivated as a rain-fed crop in drier part of India as well. India contributes to 80% of the global production of black gram. Important states growing black gram in India are Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Karnataka. So how these are useful? Black gram is eaten whole or splitted and boiled or roasted or ground into flour. Black gram batter is a major ingredient for the preparation of popular southern Indian breakfast dishes like idli, dosa. These are all prepared along with the rice. They used to add black gram to make a flour. From this flour we used to prepare what do you call idli, dosa, vada. These are all can be prepared. Split pulses is used in seasoning Indian curries. Next one is red gram or pigeon pea. That means Tawarambar or Tawarambai. Its botanical name is Gajanus gajan. The red gram, botanical name of red gram is Gajanus gajan. It is originally native India, southern India. It is only pulse native to southern India. It is mainly grown in the states of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Gujarat. Red gram is a major ingredient of sambar. South Indian gravy is most important gravy is sambar. The sambar is prepared from red gram. A characteristic dish of southern India. Roasted seeds are consumed either salted or unsalted as a popular snacks. Young pods are cooked and consumed. Next one is green gram. Pasipayar. Pachai payar nu kuda solluvaanga. Green gram. Its botanical name is Vigna radiata. So botanical name of green gram is Vigna radiata. Now where it is origin and cultivated? Green gram is native of India and the earliest archaeological evidences are found in the state of Maharashtra. It is cultivated in the state of Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. It can be used as roasted cooked and sprouted pulses as well. Green gram is one of the ingredients of pongal. So when pongal as well as chakari pongal can be prepared with the help of this green gram pulses. A popular breakfast dish in Tamil Nadu. Fried, dehulled and broken or whole green gram is used as popular snacks. It is used as snacks as well. The flour is traditionally used as cosmetics, especially for skin. That's all about pulses. All the pulses can be asked in 5 mark questions combined together. So you should ask, you should prepare, you should write about green gram, black gram and red gram. Now we are going to see about vegetables. As you know, a lot of vegetables which can be obtained, which can be cultivated around our house as well, in our home garden. While walking through the market, filled with fresh vegetables like steaks of lady's finger, mountains of potato, pyramids of brinjal, tomatoes, cucurbits, we learn to choose the vegetables that is fresh, tender. Tender means pinjar, young, ripe, palitadu, and those suit the family taste through experience and cultural practices. Why do we need to eat vegetables? And what do they provide us? Vegetables are most important part of our healthy eating and provide many nutrients including potassium, fiber, folic acid and vitamins A, E and C. The nutrients in vegetables are vital for maintenance of our health. Most of our health is depending upon by how you are taking the vegetables and fruits. If you are having a proper locally available fruits and vegetables properly, you never affected by any types of disease, even the microbial diseases like bacteria and fungus as well. Such a wonderful thing is obtained from the locally available vegetables and fruits. So you should take more amount of vegetables and fruits. So next vegetable is lady's finger, kara. So lady's finger, vendaka. The botanical name of lady's finger is Abel Moschus esculentus. It belongs to the family Malvaceae. Where it is origin? From Africa. Lady's finger is a native of the tropical Africa. Assam, Maharashtra and Gujarat are the important states where lady's finger is grown in abundance. Coimbatore, Dharmaburi and Vellore are the major cultivating regions of Tamil Nadu. Uses: the fresh and green tender fruits of this lady's finger are used as a vegetable. Often they are sliced and dehydrated to conserve them for later use. It has most important nutrient. Dehydrated means vattal. Kaya pottu vattala varuthu saapidrathu. So that is also can be used from lady's finger. Next we are going to see about fruits. Edible fruits are fleshy structures with a pleasant aroma. Aroma means beautiful smell and flavors, taste. Fruits are the sources of many nutrients including potassium, dietary fiber, folic acid and vitamins. Depending upon the climatic region in which fruits crops grow, they can be classified into temperate. In temperate region, apple, pear, plum can be grown. In tropical fruits like mango, jack, banana can be grown. In this chapter, now we are going to discuss about tropical fruit like mango. Mango is national fruit of India. Do you remember? Do you know? So mango is national fruit of India. The botanical name of mango is Mangifera indica, which belongs to the family Anacardiaceae. So Mangifera indica belongs to the family Anacardiaceae. So this is very important fruits. There are varieties of mango fruits are available in the market. Everything are very much useful. They can be eaten as fruits or sliced, or even jam can be prepared. Jellies can be prepared. Such a wonderful thing. Where it is origin? It is South Asian fruit. Origin and area of cultivation. The mango is a native of South Asia, especially Burma and eastern India. It is a national fruit of India. The major mango producing states are Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat and Karnataka. Salem, Krishnagiri, Dharmaburi are the major mango producing districts of Tamil Nadu. Some of the major cultivars of mango in India are Alfonsa, Panganapalli, Neelam and Malgova. These are all beautiful and delicious fruit of mango. Mango are used. Mango is a major table fruits of India, which is rich in beta carotenes, which is used for, it's very much useful, very much beneficial for eyes, bright eyes. Vitamin A deficiency may be caused lot of eye diseases. That can be prevented if you are taking mango fruits. It is utilized in many ways as dessert, canned, dried and preserves in Indian cuisines. The raw fruit may be sour. Unripe mangoes are used in chutneys, pickles, urga, side dishes, or may be eaten raw with salt and chili. Mango pulp is made into jellies. Aerated and non-aerated fruit juice is a popular soft drink in India. Next we are going to discuss about nuts. Nuts are the simple dry fruits composed of hard shell and an edible kernel. They are packed with a good source of healthy fat, fiber, protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants as well. Cashew nut, as you know very well, cashew nut. The botanical name of cashew nut is Anacardium occidentale. So cashew nut, the botanical name of cashew nut is Anacardium occidentale, which belongs to the family Anacardiaceae. Origin and area of cultivation. The cashew has originally originated in Brazil. It is Brazilian fruit and made its way to India in 16th century through Portuguese sailors. Cashews is grown in Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Orissa. It is used, cashews are commonly used for garnishing sweets or curries, or ground into a paste that forms a base of sauces for curries or some sweets as well. Roasted and raw kernels are used as snacks. Next we are going to see about sugars. We experience sweetness while eating the stems of sugarcane, roots of sugar beet, fruits of apple, and while drinking palmyra sap. Palmyra sap means padanir. Padanir is obtained from Panaimaram. Palmyra means Panaimaram. So this is due to the different proportions of sugar found in it. Sugar is a generic name for sweet tasting soluble carbohydrates which are used in foods and beverages as well. Sugars found in sugarcane and palmyra, Panaimaram, make them ideal for efficient extraction of made commercial sugar. First of all, we are going to see about how sugarcane is obtained from sugarcane. The botanical name of sugarcane is Saccharum officinarum, which belongs to the family Poaceae. Where is its origin? The cultivated sugarcane, Saccharum officinarum, has evolved by repeated back crossing of Saccharum officinarum of New Guinea with wild Saccharum spontaneum of India to improved quality. All districts except Kanyakumari and Nilgiris of Tamil Nadu cultivates sugarcane. So except Kanyakumari and Nilgiris, we can obtain almost all part of Tamil Nadu, we can get sugarcane. So these are various sugarcane products. Vellam, Achu vellam, Manda vellam, sugar, katkandu, small katkandu, direct sugarcane. This is palmyra tree, Panaimaram, palm jaggery, karpati. So these are all obtained from these plants. The cultivated Saccharum officinarum sugarcane is raw material for extracting white sugar. Sugar can support large number of industries like sugar mills, producing refined sugars, distilleries producing liquor grade ethanol. So every sugar industry is having alcohol factory as well, because they are producing lot of liquor grade ethanol. And millions of jaggery as well. Jaggery means chakra, manufacturing unit, not a chakra. Fresh sugarcane juice is a refreshing drink. Directly sugarcane lerundu chaaru pilinju direct saappalam. So sugarcane juice is a refreshing drink. Molasses is a raw material for production of ethyl alcohol. After extracting juice from sugarcane, they will be extracting sugar from this juice. The remaining black liquid is left over is called molasses. From this molasses, we can prepare ethyl alcohol. You might have studied in chemistry as well. Next, we are going to see about palmyra, Panaimaram. Palmyra tree is state tree of Tamil Nadu. You know, Palmyra tree is state tree of Tamil Nadu. The botanical name of Palmyra is Borassus